Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is "Officers Reached Their Breaking Point with This." I can't even fucking speak. Oh my god. Oh man, my lisp is really lisping today, boy. Oh my god. Oh man, I ain't restarting this neither, man. It is what it is, man. This is the raw and uncut version, man. Shoot. Whew. Let's get it together. Shy, get it together. Get it together. All right. So the name of the video is "Officers Reach Their Breaking Point with This 30-year-old Toddler."
On May 21st, 2024, officers responded to a residence for a call of a woman being disorderly and attacking family members.
He's nuts. She punched me in my face because I was trying to. She kept going out of the door, and I was just blocking her.
Where's she at?
I think I'm bleeding somewhere.
I'll check here in a minute.
I mean, they've had to hold her down. She tore my whole room up, broke my TV. I'm not going to stay at work again.
You know, your favorite house.
What's up?
Is there someone
No, scratch just yet.
What's going on? Huh? Something's going on.
I don't know.
Tear my room up, break my TV, destroy it. TV shattered, whole room turned
My
upside
kids are
down.
upstairs, scared to death.
3-year-old in the room over there.
What's up?
She's nothing.
Huh?
193, check.
Bullshit. Bullshit. She'll come at me, yell over your dad. Yeah, well, 6 years, he's gone, girl. Not my fault. I can't keep holding you and keeping you up. I can't do this. You're 30 years old.
109.
30 years old. Won't work, won't help yourself, won't pick yourself up. I can't keep doing this. I had to leave work because of this.
So what's the issue tonight, Chill?
I don't know. I don't know.
Decided to go off the chain and break shit or what?
No, I was just sitting there and everybody started putting their hands on me. I don't know.
Nobody heard you.
Yeah, they did.
Because you're tearing stuff up.
It says like you were here.
Marched up and down where he's held you down for 30 minutes before I got here.
Because why, Mom?
It's not a lie. It's not a lie.
Because why?
She's not helping. The officer should tell the mom to be quiet because they're gonna keep getting into it. The officer just needs to figure out what is going on from her. We already got the other side from the 911 story, but the mom keep bickering with the daughter. It's gonna escalate things.
That ain't a lie.
Stand up, Chill. Give me hands back here for a second, babe. Until you can talk to me and tell me what the hell's going on, we're gonna do this, all right?
You're gonna hit me
Okay.
down?
Huh? What is going on? Other than you've been drinking. Is that the issue?
Are you guys in the room? Why are you taking me to jail?
I didn't say I was taking you to jail, did
You're
I?
handcuffing me though.
Stop.
I'm just telling you what you're doing to me.
Chelsea.
Excuse you.
Excuse you.
Why are you taking me to jail?
Stop.
I'm asking you why you're taking me to jail though.
Female detained. She's somewhat resistant.
I'm not
Give me your
resisting.
phone. I'm done. I'm done playing your game. Stop. Walk down these steps. Chelsea! Enough! Enough! Stop! 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 Behave!
behave.
You're opening! You're opening! Why are you fucking resisting? Why? I didn't do anything! You're opening! You're opening!
Just try to get in the car. Hey, we're gonna pick you up so we can get you to the car.
You!
Huh?
You!
All right, well,
Piece of shit!
I know.
Why you say my kids?
Them demons done got a hold of her, boy. She was okay in the beginning. She was okay. And dang, the devil just came up out of her, boy.
She's drunk. You I'm drunk. You think you're
All right, we're gonna stand up, walk you to the car, okay?
No, I ain't going. Get off my bag. Oh, walk me to the car. You guys are so justice. Oh, hell, Mary, you. Yeah, you. Oh, volunteer and all. Oh, absolutely.
Are you done?
Are you done? You
Kick me again.
oh, what are you going to do? Charge me with
You don't like
absolute?
it, yeah.
Oh, absolute? Absolute?
That's when I get tased.
Now you got an assault charge, plus the resisting, plus the ED. What else do you want?
Chelsea, Chelsea, breathe for me, okay? We're gonna get you in the car, all right?
Drunk people be so emotional.
My dolphin's little house. Oh, gee, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll go in Hannah. I don't know what to do. I gotta get back to you. You want to rent a room?
Hell no.
Sorry. You gonna bring me a pack home?
What do you want me to do? You want me to get statements and stuff and you take her?
Yeah, if you don't care.
That's fine.
So, what'd she do, baby?
She started drinking.
Well, obviously she's drunk.
Yeah. And we took the alcohol away. Because, you know, we got kids here.
Right.
You know, so we were just letting her just vent her emotions, whatever. Yeah, whatever. We're used to it. But then she got mad because nobody would interact with her. We were just ignoring her, laughing, you know, just going on about our day like nothing was wrong. So she got mad, went down, destroyed the whole basement. And then Laura come home because we called Laura, hey, Laura, she destroyed your room. You know, you need to come deal with it. And then once Laura got here, she started attacking Laura.
Chewing off on everything. What are you doing, killer? Laura, give me your social real quick, baby.
She just, when I went to come in there, I said, you broke my TV, give me your phone. I'm taking it because she broke it. I was going to break her phone, but I didn't. And I went to go out to the hall, Titan's holding her. I come out on the front porch, call 911, but back in, she come at me and grabbed me.
Grabbed hold of you?
Yeah.
Was she swinging at you or she just grabbed you?
Yeah, Titan's holding her back.
Okay.
I was just standing there blocking her way so she couldn't get outside to Laura. And she kept kicking me, and then she grabbed my shirt and started pulling my hair, and I think she hit me in the face once. I don't know. I just laid my head on my chest and just let her pull my hair. I mean, there ain't no sense in getting combative with her.
Yeah. 13 for DX. That'll be 2 socials.
No sense in getting combative with her. Shoot, I could think of a couple reasons. Shoot, you grab my hair, you kicking me, you trying to hit. What? Man, I'll knock your ass out, boy. What? Okay. No reason to get combative with her. What? I'm not about, listen, nobody should be no punching bag. All right? Nah. I'm not sitting here. I get it. You drunk, you this, you that, whatever. That's no excuse. I'm not going to sit here and be the punching bag, okay? That's not happening. So she better get it together, Moy, because, hey, listen, sometimes people need a factory reset, man. She out of date. She need, you know, the hardware may be all right, but the software is messed up, you know? It's all good.
DV times 2, resisting.
Okay.
Number 1.
She kicked me with her calf in the shin and tried to get the midsection, but I was too quick.
I'm just glad she was going after you and not me.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest, domestic battery, and battery on law enforcement officers. Thanks for watching today's video.
Yeah, you know, I like that little conversation at the end that they kept, because that's real stuff. Like, once it's all said and done and it's calmed down or whatever, they gonna sit, you know, because that's what Sarge was pretty much saying. He like, it's up to you, you know, about the battery on the Leo. You know, that's really what they talking about. You know, like, nah, should we do it? Should we not? You know, she technically did, but we kind of understand the circumstances. It's up to you if you want to charge her with that. You got the green light, but you know, and obviously they went and charged her with it. So yeah, man. Either way though, I think the officers did a great job, man. They get a 5 out of 5 from me. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.